Okay, I finished the painting process. I removed all of the masking tape off of the pieces, and I'm going to assemble it now. All the pieces have the masking tape removed, and the paint's all dry and it looks pretty nice. I've left everything in the compartments and they're all labeled by color so that I can put it all together, and I've left the unbandaged pieces, I've left all the stickers on. That'll help me to assemble it all in the right pieces. And I have my program, my drawing program that I used to design it. That's going to help me put it together. Here's the core, and now I'm going to assemble it. Okay, I finished putting the whole thing together. The camera died, the camera battery died right before I got to the end. And what I did was, the last row of edge pieces was put in next to the last couple of rows single pieces. I spun these two faces around so I would hit all the small pieces on this edge, and put in this edge piece second to last, and I put in these pieces inside this corner with these two pieces slid in, because that's where you would have the easiest way to take it apart, is to dig these two pieces out. So those are the last two pieces put in, and as you can see, it's all together and it turns well. I loosened up a couple of the faces so that it would be easier to get together, and it helped with the swelling on the inside of some of the parts. So I have all of the single stickers that I'm going to take off now, and I'm going to put the new stickers on, except for the white. The white's going to stay the same because white is white, and I don't want to lose the MF8 sticker that I have that's on the center here. So the next process is to remove these stickers and put the right ones on.